VidViper review and free software giveaway. Hey, what's up guys, this is Flair from artofmarketingblack.com, and it's this time of the month where I'm giving away a free piece of software. Now, VidViper is my newest piece of software that will be going live on the 12th of June at 9 AM Eastern. If you want to win a free copy, stick with me until the end of this video. I'm going to show you how to enter the giveaway. Or if you want to do it right now, just click the link in the description of this video to sign up for the giveaway list. And first of all, let me just show you what the software does and why it's so amazing. Okay, so let me share my screen. Let's jump into this VidViper review. Let me just skim through the sales page first. As you can see, it says VidViper so powerful it should be illegal. Push button app instantly puts your link in front of hundreds of hungry buyers for $300 plus or more daily on complete autopilot in any niche. Now, what our new software does, it creates traffic pulling magnets in a matter of seconds. So if you know how to copy and paste, you can essentially grab any URL from the web and turn it into a free traffic pulling video without any filming, editing, or any of it. Okay, so I'm actually including a full case study on how I ranked 3 of these videos to get instant traffic from both Google and YouTube. Now, these are videos that are created automatically, okay? So I didn't, again, shoot any of it. I didn't create any of it. I didn't edit any of it. It is all done for you automatically. So obviously we have proof. These are the proof screenshots, as you can see. So we have tons of proof behind it. I'm going to be, again, including a case study and a demo as well, so you can check all of this out. VidViper does the new software that we are launching, and again, in a second you can win a free copy. Team Black Belt, so myself, Pallab, and Ram, you probably already know us. Some more proof, some more ranking proof. I'm going to show you all of these things that are included in a second. We have tons of bonuses right here on the sales page. And that's essentially it. So guys, you can check all of this out on the sales page once it's live. And again, June 12th at 9 AM Eastern is when we go live. Now, let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so it is a super simple concept. I'm not going to be showing you all of the functionalities. I will have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel for you guys, so you can check all of this out. But right now, let me just show you how to create a video from scratch. Okay, so all you have to do is click on Site Video, click on Video Creator, and just paste in any URL of any web page. Okay, so this can be your web page, it can be any web page. Now, what I did for my videos, because this is what I do every single day, I just grabbed a URL of my review post. Okay, so obviously this can be your review post, or it can be any other review post, or it can be, again, any website in any niche. So again, this is super simple. All you have to do is paste in the URL, click on submit, and a video will be created for you. So again, I'm not going to be creating a video right now, but that's all you have to do. Okay, we have a few options on how to add intros and outros and brand the video with your own watermark, etc. But as you can see, we have 4 simple steps, and essentially the video will be created for you in a matter of minutes, and you can submit all of this information in a matter of seconds. Okay, so guys, that's obviously just one part, creating videos on total autopilot without any filming. We have the keyword research, we have the rebrander, we have the YouTube hookup, so you don't even have to log into YouTube if you want to do all of this. Again, check out my full demo and the full case study if you want to see exactly how all of this works. Now, let me show you this, because extensive video training is also included. Okay, so we included a demo. We're gonna have a live training session for you guys, and we have obviously all of the training right here. And as you can see, we have tons of videos on not only how to use the software, but also how to actually rank videos and how to make money with it. Okay, so all the training is included. I actually include 2 additional courses inside, so both of these are already W's of the Day awarded courses. So you're getting essentially free products for the price of one, including the software. So this is what you're going to see when it comes to the members area and the video training. Let me go through the upsells super quickly. So the main version includes everything I just showed you. Upgrade number 1 will be the pro version, which will be unlimited video creation, creating longer videos, and also creating multilingual videos. Okay, VidViper Expert will allow you to create videos, rebrand already existing videos. Okay, so just a second way of creating videos if you want to create even more videos. Upgrade number 3, we have a massive done for you pack. Upgrade number 4, we have a reseller pack if you want to resell VidViper as your own product and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. Upgrade number 5, we have 6-figure training. This is advanced training if you want to scale things up. And the last upsell is upgrade number 6, and these are case studies. So you're getting 8 case studies on how to make even more money with it. Okay, so guys, OTOs and upgrades are always optional, and you'll be fine with the main product alone, VidViper alone. But these are just optional if you want to make your life a little bit easier. Okay, so guys, right now let me tell you how to win a free copy of VidViper. Okay, so first of all, if you're watching on YouTube right now, click on the first link in the description and sign up for this VidViper free training and software giveaway. Okay, so if you want to win a free copy, you have to do this first. So as you can see, you're going to have to enter your first name, last name, and email. This way we're gonna have you on our giveaway list. Now, a part of that, you have to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so do these 4 things. First of all, go to the registration to sign up for the giveaway list, and then like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. And I will be taking the totality of the people that did these 4 things, and 10% will be winners. Okay, so if I'm gonna have 100 people that did these 4 things, so again, sign up for the list, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment, and the comment can be anything. So let's say we have 100 people doing this, 10% will be winners, which means that 10 people will win a free copy of VidViper. Okay, so guys, the winners will be announced during this live call. Okay, and this live call is exactly when we go live, which is June 12th at 9 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so make sure to show up for the live call. I'm going to be doing a little demo. We're going to do the giveaway, so make sure to be there live if you want to win a free copy. Sign up first. I'm super excited because, as you've seen right here, I'm actually using this software myself. I have a bunch of videos already created, so I know these work. It saves tons of time if you are not into video marketing, but you do want to get the traffic from YouTube. This is perfect for you. Obviously, all the video training will show you exactly what to do with these videos. So I'm super proud of this product. I know it works. I use it myself, so this is something that I know absolutely works because I'm getting traffic from it, and you can too. So guys, again, do these 4 things. For the last time, click the first link in the description to join the giveaway list, and then like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment, and I will see you at 9 a.m. Eastern on Friday the 12th of June. This is when first of all VidViper goes live. We have an early bird, so even if you want to win a free copy, you can still grab it for a silly low price. And this is where the free training and software giveaway call will be started. Okay, so I hope to see you on the call. I hope to see you inside the members area. If you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment, and I will be seeing you shortly on Friday when VidViper goes live. Ciao.